Hey guys, welcome to another reading. So today we are going to ask your person about what is it that they are going to or willing to, you know, give you or extend that energy. So this is you, this is your person. So we are going to see what is your expectation and what are they going to respond or what are they willing to offer. Okay, so I will cut the deck. This is you. They're already falling off. This is your person. All right, let's begin. So what is your expectation? You want some movement, you want this fiery energy, you want action. All right, what do they have to say? They are just living in fear. They are being controlled by their thoughts, emotions. Maybe there are other things. They are not willing to, get past that fear and that control. They are trying to control these things. Okay, what do you expect? You expect them to kind of move forward. Again, this is a card of action. You can see this woman, she is constantly working towards her goal. She's constantly moving forward. It's like very goal oriented. Okay, so you want, again, that action. They are still trying to figure it out. They are not willing to they want to kind of cooperate with you. They want to make things work. They are also probably manifesting things. They're trying to find out, but it's like still I'm just trying to figure it out stage. They're not, I don't see action. What is your expectation? 10 of emotions. You want this emotional fulfillment. You want them to show that you mean the world to them. Just, mere words are not enough. Just saying I love you is not enough. You want them to come up, stand by you. You want to build a family with them. You want them to show you in their actions whatever they are saying or they have been saying. They are, again, in this fearful energy. This person is just not willing to get past their fears. They are not willing to offer you this emotional contentment, what they have been promising you at this point. They are just living in that fear. They feel it's a very dark place. They are overthinking about it. They are not able to reach a solution. So again, useless response. Okay, what is your expectation? The Chariot. You want them to take control. You see this woman, it's not like she has some reins in hand which are there in physical form, but energetically itself, she is so confident. There's so much light coming out of her solar plexus. She's so confident. She knows how to handle things, how to maneuver, and she wants you to take charge. So you want them to take charge, do the right thing, do right by you, move forward. Again, you are constantly seeking this movement from them, and they are constantly in fear. Let's see what they have to say. Right now, they're pushing you back. It's not that they're not willing to put up the fight, but I think they're going to take time. I don't see them budging from what they feel about this whole situation right now. It's like their fears are so overpowering at this point that they are just fighting everything out. What is your expectation? Again, 9 of Cups. You want you want this fulfilling, loving, caring energy. You want to be in that space where even if you can't give me something like a family, marriage right now, at least be in that energy where I don't have to beg. I am feeling happy. That is what you are asking for. They do see some sort of stability they want to provide, but they are leaning more towards some sort of material stability is what they are thinking of right now, because there is, again, an angle of family which kind of influences this, but they definitely are looking at offering you that longevity of the relationship. So with they have been putting up a fight towards your expectations, but they do want to give you this connection, this stability that you have been asking for. They're going to give it to you. What are your expectations? The star, you want healing. You want to be able to be in your divine masculine or divine feminine. You want to be able to be vulnerable again. You want to be able to trust again. Can they build the trust? Can they bring the healing? Yes, they are wanting to bring justice to you. They are wanting to bring the balance that you seek here. They know they have been unfair, although they are not showing you everything that's going on behind the scenes. You see this curtain, so there is something more behind there. It feels like they are working towards building this stability, offering you this, and they're saying they are working towards it. They want to balance the scales. They also realize it's not fair what they have done to you. Your expectations, okay. Again, 10 of Pentacles. This is again about stability. So you are constantly seeking stability. You're constantly seeking also family. If you see, they're all holding their hands, and the tree in between. Tree also signifies growth, longevity, family. So you want to be a part of their family. You want to be family to them. Okay, let's see what do they have to say. You mean the world to them. They want to give you this. They are again, there are a lot of aspects that they need to take care of right now, and to bring this whole thing to completion, it is going to take time, is what they are telling me. All right, let's find out what is your expectation here. Page of Inspiration. You want communication again. So you want this, constantly this beautiful energy. All the cards have such pretty colors, such, beautiful emotions, feelings, stability, longevity is what you're seeking here. Here also, it's like you want communication. You want this rainbow somewhere in this relationship. Let's see what do they have to offer here. They are being very logical at this point. They are not willing to give you that emotional support that you are seeking. They are not in that place right now. They have to make certain decisions with a lot of calculation, a lot of calculative moves. All right, let's see what are your energies under the deck. Sun. Your energies towards this person and this relationship is you want happiness. Okay, if you look at these colors, they're so vibrant, so happy. You want growth, you want abundance. There is, there is duality here. 7 of Swords. So, there's so many foxes here. You want this to go. You want a commitment. You want this manipulation to get over. You want this commitment with Hierophant, and you want a new beginning with this person because you want to work together with them. Let's see what are their energies here. I could have guessed it. I didn't have to turn it. So 8 of Swords, feeling stuck. They want to make a decision, but they are not able to. They want to have this. They know that they have messed up. They know that it's a very crappy place to be in, and they want to move forward from that. But again, there is nothing they're doing about it. They're just sitting over everything, just thinking, what can I do? What should I do? If I do this, this will happen. If I do that, this will happen. But in that whole process, everything is getting ruined, is what they don't understand, is what I get here. Again, they are feeling very... So for some of you, this person could be coming from a place of ego and logic as well. So they want to control certain things, and probably that is because they're very guarded, is what I see. They're not willing to be vulnerable here. And the last card from here is 8 of Wands. So they want to communicate. It's not that they want to keep this going on the way it is. They want to communicate about it. They want to have new beginnings with you. They have love, I see here. But they are just, feeling stuck because of their own thoughts that are constantly overpowering their emotions here. They need to get out of this fear. Okay, let me ask, are they going to get out of this fearful energy? Is my viewer's person going to eventually get out of this fearful energy they are in? Wait. So not right now. It is going to take them some time. They need to admit to themselves, acknowledge it to themselves first, that they feel this way for you, and it means that they will have to step out of their comfort zone, and it's time to do that. It's, just being here and just thinking that this other person is going to wait for me. They have to get out of that. They have to acknowledge that this cannot go on forever, and when they acknowledge, that is when they are going to make a move. But they want you to wait for them. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Wanting. So definitely there is desire for you. There is this want that they have, not just in physical aspect but also energetically. They, like, just the thought of you probably turns them on, not just physically, but their emotional, their mental stimulation happens by just thinking about you. They want to come back to you is what I see here. Underlying energy is sleepless. So probably this person is not able to sleep well, because even here, all these things, they point towards, lack of sleep, and because of fears. And also I think there's this fear that maybe you might just leave because they are taking forever. So I do see desire, but I don't see any action being taken at this point. They want you to wait. They need to acknowledge that this is something that has to happen. They have to make a decision before they come to you. Thank you for watching.